Now we'll solve exercise 6.1 on page number 98. Okay. Number 1. Convert the following into paise. When we convert all these are rupees into paise, we have to multiply by 100. Now look here. Rupees 7 multiplied by 100 is equal to 700 paise. Yeah. Now P 12 rupees, 12 into 100. Now is 120, then write 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. 1200 paise. C 9 into 100 is equal to 900 paise. Here 56 into 100 is equal to 5600, 1 2 zeros, 5600 paise. Now 90 rupees, 90 into 100 here is equal to 90, then 120 paise. 9000 paise. Here also 62 into 100 is equal to 62, then 120, 6200 paise. Here 22 into 100 is equal to write 22 and 120, 2200 paise. And H 38 into 100 is equal to 38, then how many zeros? 1 2, 3800 paise. This way you convert the following rupees into paise. Now question 2. Convert the following to rupees. When you convert the paise to rupees, you leave 2 digits from the right and put a dot. 2 digits from the right and put a dot. Now look here. 800. Now put the 2 digits from the right, you leave 1 2 and put a dot here. This is equal to rupees 8. Now B 1600 paise. Now 2 digits from the right, 1 2, put a dot here. Then rupees 1616 here. Here also 725. 2 digits from the right, 1 2 and put a dot here. Is equal to rupees 7 here, 25 paise. Now here also 950. Leave 2 digits from the right, 1 2 and put a dot here. Is equal to rupees 950 paise. Now E 550. Leave 2 digits from the right and put a dot, 1 2 digits and put a dot here. And is equal to rupees 5 and 50 paise. Now F 1230 paise. 2 digits from the right, leave 1 2 and put a dot here. Is equal to rupees 12 and 30 paise. Now I will do G and H. Okay, now look at G. 1505. 1505 paise. Now leave 2 digits from the right and put a 1 2 digit and put a dot here. That is rupees 15.5 paise. Now H 4535 paise. Now leave 2 digits from the right and put a dot. 1 2 digit and put a dot. Here rupees 45 and 35 paise. This way you convert the following paise to rupees. Now number 3. Convert the following to paise. We know that when we convert rupees to paise, we have to multiply by 100 because 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Now convert rupees 5 35 paise. Now we have to convert into paise. Now rupees 5 is equal to 5 into 100 is equal to 500. And here there is 25. This is a 30 paise is equal to 30. Now add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, yeah, 500. The answer is 530 paise. Now next, rupees 15. Wait a minute. I hope you understood this. Now rupees 15. Next, rupees 15, 45 paise into paise. Now convert this rupees 15 into paise. Rupees 15 is equal to 15 into 100 and 45 paise is equal to, now look here. Now 0, right, 15, after 15, 1, 2, 0. Then plus how many? 45. 45. Add 0 plus 5, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 plus nothing, 5. And here. Answer is how many paise? 1545 paise. 1545 paise. Now C, we will do the short method, convert the following to paise. What you have to do, you just have to remove the dot on it. Here 2309. Just remove the dot and this is 2309 paise. This is the short method. That time I showed you along with this is short method to convert rupees into paise. Now 23 rupees 9 paise, you just remove the dot. 2309, right? Remove the dot and 2009. This is paise. Now E. There is now C. Now D. D is 12 rupees. 12 rupees and 50 paise. Now 12 rupees is equal to 12 into 100 is equal to, you write 12, after 12 how many is 1, 2, then paise 50 paise is equal to 50 only. Add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus nothing, 2, and your answer is 1250 paise. So that is number D. Now we'll do E and F. Now E, 15 rupees 12. We know that 15 rupees is equal to 15 into 100. That is equal to 1, 5, then 1, 2, 0. And 12 paise is equal to 12 over here. Now add 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 0, 1, 5 plus nothing here, 5 and 1. This is the answer, 1512 paise. Now F, 38 rupees and 9 paise. Now 38 rupees is equal to 38 into 100 is equal to 38, then how many zeros? 1, 2, 0. Then 9 paise is equal to 9 on here, plus 9 plus 0, 9, nothing here, 0, 3, 8 plus nothing, 8, and 3 plus nothing, 3. So answer is 3809 paise. This way you convert the following into paise. Now I will do number 4. Now question number 4, convert the following into rupees. Now we 3 rupees 12 paise. Now we know that 3 rupees is equal to how many paise? Is equal to 3 into 100 paise, that is 300. Now you add this also, 1, 12 paise is equal to 12 only. Now add this. 0 plus 2, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 312 paise. Now you convert this into rupees. Now 312. Now you put a dot on 2 digits from the right. After 2 digits from the right, put a 1, 2 digits, put a dot. Is equal to rupees 312. This way you convert 3 rupees 12 paise into rupees. Now you add this first. You convert this rupees into paise, 300 paise, and 12 paise as it is. Add this 312 before. When you get 312, write 12, and after 2 digits from the right, you put a dot, and it will be equal to rupees 3 and rupees 312 paise. Now here, this one will do B. 12 rupees 35 paise. Now 12 rupees you convert into paise. 12 into 100 is equal to 1200. Write 12 and put 2 zeros. Here 35 paise is equal to 35 only. Now add 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 3, 3, 2 plus nothing, 2, 1 plus nothing here. Is 1235 paise. And write this paise here 1235 paise. Now from 2 digits from the right you put a dot. 1, 2 digits from the right you put a dot, and you get this is rupees 1235. This is the answer. Now we do C and D. Now look at question C. 17 rupees 3 paise into rupees. Now 17 rupees, convert this into paise. Is equal to 17 into 100 is equal to 1700, and 3 paise equal to paise is equal to 3. Now add 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus nothing here, 7 plus nothing here, 1703 paise. Now you write here 1703 paise. Then 2 digits from the right you put a dot. 1, 2 digits you put here dot. That is equal to rupees 1703 paise. This is the answer. And D. The 33 rupees 2 paise. Now look here. Convert this into paise. 33 rupees is equal to 33 into 100 is equal to 3, then 2 zeros. Then here 2 paise is equal to 2 only. Now you add this. Now you add 3300 plus 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus nothing here. 3 plus nothing, 3, 3 plus nothing, 3. Now this one is 3302 paise. Now you write this here 3302 paise. Now you convert into rupees. 2 digits from the right you put a dot. 1, 2 digit you put a dot here. This becomes rupees 3, then dot here 02 paise. This is the answer. This is how you convert the following into rupees.